Hello guys, today I'm cleaning my keycaps because they look really dirty. Ugh. Ooh, that's dirty. That's dirt. Roll for a soap. What soap do you have? Or did I just dunk into it? Or is it now going to be like this colour? Oh yeah, I guess. Does it make more money? Wait, yeah, kind of. Oh wait, that was this. Buy a better sponge. Give me a better sponge, please. Oh, I can upgrade the look. Look. Okay. 3 rebirths for whatever that is. Okay, let's just... Oh wait, there's like a soap limit, like, thing. Soap used. I wanna make my keyboard. Okay, put that down. Leave. Oh, that's it. One time is shiny. I don't know what that does. Oh wait. The ultimate ASMR. Oh wait, let me put this on. Okay, the music has destroyed it. Let's destroy the ASMR. Okay. Let's put a bit more down, I guess. Yeah. How your first work? Wait, let me get a better sponge bud. Circle sponge. It looks uncommon soaps. Okay. Actually don't have enough money. Let me just get it. I have enough. You know what? Step on it. Oh, they just keep stepping on it. Oh, okay. You're a slow worker. Does this cost money? Okay. Let's get way better look. I'm not actually gonna use that. Chocolate. Can I like get rid of these keycaps though? Oh yeah, I can. Let me get a better one. Mint soap. Okay, that's pretty good, I'd say. Oh, so I actually do need to rebirth. I need 20k for that. I don't have 20k. Clean that keycap. I can step on these keycaps and you can't even do it, worker. This worker can't even do it. He's so slow. X, we have X. we already have X. Oh no, we don't. Why is there an index? Why on earth is there an index? Oh, okay, like so. Okay, I unlocked the uncommon. Okay. Wait, can I like? Oh yeah, I can just change it. Oh, super 100% use. Oh, you want to be kidding? This one's better. Super's empty. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. No. I want bubble gum. Give me bubble gum. I want bubble gum. I said bubble gum. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Finally, I actually got bubble gum. There. Boom, perfect. And now they're all going to be bubble gummy. What? Bubble? Well, that sounds good. What on earth? Let me do the ASMR real quick. And we rebirth. Okay, I still have this. Like. Expand. Go. Shiny. Boom, boom. Upgrades. Oh, I forgot what the upgrade. More faster too. That's insane. Okay, sponges. Give me something better. Look. Put the sound. That's good. Where's my worker? Oh, I guess I have to hire another worker, I guess. Why is this one plain white? Hire worker. Oh, I need more keycaps, I guess. I need bubble gum again. Spend all my money on this. Okay. I should get bubble gum now. Oh yeah. Okay. So peas on that.
Sam, czy skończyłeś nagrywać? No, skończ za 5 minut nagrywać.
Put the keycap right there. Put that keycap right there. Put that keycap right there. Put that keycap right there. I don't know why I just keep saying that at this point. Put that right there. How did these keycaps even get this dirty? Okay, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I need a roll for another bubblegum, because I need to. Okay. I think my luck is too good, or something, I don't know. Grass soap. Okay, let's dunk that in. Get that one. Oh. Okay, for the last and final part of the video, the outro. Please like and subscribe, guys, with the ASMR. Please like and subscribe.